Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tackle a common problem that many house owners face: rust stains on concrete surfaces. Whether it's from a metal object left on the concrete or a leaky pipe, those stubborn rust stains can be quite an eyesore. But don't worry, in this video we will guide you through a step-by-step procedure to remove rust stains from concrete effectively. Before we begin, let's gather all the supplies we will need for this rust stain removal process. You will need baking soda, lemon juice or vinegar, scrub brush or stiff broom, rubber gloves, safety goggles, water hose or pressure washer, rust stain remover which is optional. Step 1. Prep the area. Safety first. Put on your rubber gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself during the cleaning process. Next, remove any loose debris or dirt from the concrete surface using a broom or brush. Step 2. Create a cleaning paste. Now let's create a natural cleaning paste. In a bowl, mix equal parts baking soda and lemon juice or vinegar. The acid in these ingredients will help break down the rust stains. Step 3. Apply the cleaning paste. Using a brush or sponge, apply the cleaning paste generously onto the rust stains. Make sure to cover the entire affected area. Step 4. Scrub the stains. Time to put some elbow grease into it. Grab your scrub brush and scrub the rust stains vigorously. The abrasive action will help lift the rust off the concrete surface. Step 5. Rinse the area. Once you have thoroughly scrubbed the stains, it's time to rinse off the cleaning paste. Use a water hose or a pressure washer to wash away the paste and any remaining rust particles. Step 6. Repeat if necessary. If there are still some stubborn rust stains left, don't worry. You can repeat the previous steps until the stains are completely gone. Sometimes, depending on the severity of the rust, it may take a few attempts. Step 7. Consider rust stain remover. Optional. If the natural cleaning paste didn't entirely remove the rust stains, you can consider using a commercial rust stain remover. Follow the instructions on the product carefully and apply it to the remaining stains. Remember to wear gloves and goggles when using chemical cleaners. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you can effectively remove rust stains from your concrete surfaces. Whether it's your patio, driveway, or any other concrete area, this method should help you restore its original beauty. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and DIY solutions. Thanks for watching.